Hey, welcome back everybody. We're going to build a motor. You ready? Let's get this thing going. These are AeroTech. Where's my label? Where did my label go? Got a label somewhere around here. Well, we'll use this one here. AeroTech G79 4-second delay. It's a white lightning motor. Okay. I tried building a, well, I didn't try, I actually did. I built this one, but when it came to this little plug right here that goes on the very end, it's a lot smaller than this one, and I don't know why. So, that's where we are. So we're going to do this one and do this one right, okay? So, put all the components here. Here's my, oops. There's the rest of the pieces. And let's see which way these go. Well, they didn't mark any of these, did they? Okay, well, we'll put these right back in. They're both the same grain. I guess they're white lightning, so there's nothing special to them. And they say to, what's the right word here? Burnish or work that edge just a little bit. Okay, you'll see why in just a moment. We'll take this O-ring, put just a small little synthetic piece of grease on it, lube it up real good. Okay. All right, and we'll take just a pinch, almost what's left over on my finger, and put it right on the inside. Not down in, just on the sides. Okay, that's it. That's really the only case prep you need to do. All right, cool. All right. Okay, step one, we're going to take, this is your ejection charge. Pop it in. Pop in the spacer. Very carefully. There we go. O-ring goes on the outer edge, just like so. So now you have a small assembly made. We will take that, push it all the way in, just like so. That's it. That's the assembly portion number one. Let me wipe off some of this synthetic grease. I don't want to get any of that on there. Okay, we already have the grains loaded in. This is the insulator. This is just 2 pieces of grain. On this motor, the G78, the Mojave Green, there was a forward and an aft. I had to make sure I got the right one in the right position. Both of these are the same. Slide them in. Your washer, put it on in there. Okay, and now this piece I recommend and to epoxy it in to make this a complete one-use, one-and-done motor. Okay, I do not have any 5-minute epoxy. So we are going to load this up with thick CA. Okay. And we will put that in, turn it good and tight. Don't put a wrench on it. That's all you need. You just want to compress those grains. Okay. That's basically your motor. Okay. That's pretty much it. All right, the ejection charge, that's this little red vial. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it up to where the big side is down. Okay, Mr. Big is down. That's going to be a 4-second delay. Take that, pour it right in. Okay, all in there. Alrighty, that's where your red cap comes. Take your red cap, push it right on in, and there you go, guys. She's ready to rock and roll. Okay. Oh, well, not quite. Take your label. And I like to find, the seam and start it off at the seam. Little seam right here on the case. That way it's kind of even. It's just me. There you go, a G79 White Lightning, 4-second delay. All right, we have our igniter. Keep that in the tube until we are ready to go. All right, we'll keep this. This is the rubber band that holds it when you put it up inside. Okay. We'll just keep that together like so. I'll put it back in the bag. We know what it is. And that's it. Have a great day. I got rockets coming. We should be putting something together. Talk to you a little bit.